All right, finally we have 5.3, which is on page 31. And it says first to apply each of the following transformations to segment AB. So the first thing we want to do is take our patty paper, our tracing paper. And I like to always start at a 90-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree angle. So if you can see, right, here's a square. So this is 90-degree angle. I like to put my arrow here. Okay, and then I trace it and I put A and B. All right. The reason why I do this is because when we have something that says rotate segment AB 90 degrees counterclockwise around center B, and then label image of AC. What are the coordinates of C? So I'm going to put this on here, okay, and I'm going to be, it says rotating it counterclockwise around center B. So here's my center. Counterclockwise means this way, right? I'm going to go backwards. So that just means I also like to write where I'm going to end up. So that's my arrow was circled. All right, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to put my pen here because that's my center. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. So now it looks like this, pretty much. All right. And so here is where A lines up. And we said, hey, we're going to change A to C. So I'm going to lift this up. And I'm going to put a dot. And I'm going to label it C. Okay. And I'm going to connect those as best as I can. I don't have a ruler right now. So I'm just going to go like that. What are the coordinates? Well, the coordinates would be 3, -2. 3, -2. Right? The next one says rotate AB. So I'm going to go back to the original 90 degrees counterclockwise. So same direction, but this time our center is A. So I'm going to go back to my original. Here's my A is now the center, and I'm going to go counterclockwise again. So I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go 90 degrees. My arrow, trust me, my arrow up here is pointing up. Let's see. See it? Boom. All right. So now where's my B? My B is over here. And I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to put my dot. We're going to label this. It says label B as D. So here we go. I'm going to connect those lines. And that is at 1, 7. 1, 7. Okay, 1, 7. All right, the next one says rotate the segment AB 90 degrees, but this time clockwise. Okay, so I'm going to change this. If it was here and then it was here was counterclockwise, I'm going to switch it, and now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to box it. That's going to be clockwise. All right, and so 90 degrees clockwise around 0, 0. So now my point is not even on our line. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put my pen on 0, 0. And I know my hands are in the way always, but we're going to rotate it clockwise. So clockwise is going to go this direction. Here's my boxed arrow, and we're going to go up. And that's about 90 degrees. Okay, that's about 90 degrees. And so we have our new points. Okay, it says label A as E and B as F. So A is right here. So that's going to be E. And then B is going to be F. So we have this one now. All right. What are the coordinates of E? Well, E is 3, 0. And what about F? That is 2, -4. All right. And then compare the two 90-degree angle counterclockwise, so this one, rotations of segment AB. What is the same about the images of the rotation? What is different? We can do stuff like there's different locations. That's a big one. They're in different locations. Oh, sorry, it's not on the screen. They're in different locations. We can say they move different distances. We could say one rotation can be translated to the other. Okay, this line right here can be translated to this line right here, right? If we shifted this over 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it would be on the same line. So we can translate this line right here, AD, and CB. We can translate that. Okay, so I'm going to let you look this over one more time for a couple more seconds.